Alright guys, today we are unboxing the RM1000X power supply from Corsair. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. So up here on top we can see we have the power cable which will plug into the back. Then over here we have a package with all the cables. So let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, so here's one of the first cables, which is a CPU cable with 8 pins on each side. Then here is another one. And surprisingly, we have another one. And next we have another 8-pin cable. This looks like it works with the graphics card where you can optionally stick this on the end if you need 8 pins. So there's 2 of these on this cable. Then here's another cable that's exactly like the one I just showed you. Then we have this cable, which is for drives and things like that. Here's another one. And here's another 8-pin cable. That's a PCI Express cable that you can use to connect your graphics card. Then here's another SATA cable. It has 6 pins at the beginning of the cable. Another SATA cable. And here's the large cable for the motherboard. These cables are nice because they have a nice cover on them, so I'm really liking them so far. And here's another SATA power cable. Now to the ever exciting actual power supply itself. Here you can see where it shows the model, the RM1000X on the side. Then here's the other side. And now here's the back where you can see where it has all the plugs labeled, which is nice. And then here you can see where it has this label where it says silent operation at low to moderate loads. In this mode, the fan will not spin. So that's what we really like about the Corsair power supplies, is that you can see that the fan noise is super low and it just starts to kick in at about 5 decibels when the power output is at 400 watts. And then as the power output increases, you can see the fan noise will increase. And then if you're curious about the efficiency, here's the graph right here. And this is the RMX series, the RM1000X high performance ATX power supply. So this power supply is 80+ gold certified, which means it's pretty efficient. It has 140 millimeter ML, which stands for magnetic levitation fan for ultra low noise operation. It also has 100% industrial grade, 105°C rated Japanese capacitors. So it has really high quality capacitors inside of it. It's also modern standby compatible, and it has the 0 RPM fan mode, which means the fan will only come on when it needs to, as shown by the graph right here. And here are some other specs if you're curious about those. And right here is where you can see the actual dimensions of the power supply. All right, we hope you found this quick unboxing helpful. Thank you all so much for watching and have a great day.